recent article made clear that while in the womb, the visual organs emerge directly out of the brain, so are an integral component of thought. Eyes are fundamental to the brain's functioning, not separate like bone or skin, but an essential part of existence, making the body complete. The bond between vision and thought needs to be better understood, and its legitimate position as a basic characteristic explored, as if a novel universe or constellation. A planet's orbit in a solar system can be impacted by a meteor or the movement of nearby planetary bodies. Such is a characteristic of an impactful visual insight that may seek entry into the mind. Initially, I did not know how to integrate visual input into my thinking, especially input on a collision course with my inherited social milieu, a milieu with its own dense orbit that blocked entry to novel forms of thought. Visual input seeking entry into my brain sought in vain to penetrate my internalized orbit of thoughts. The only medium that allowed me to receive this input in a non-destructive form was rooted in the traditions of gardening. Through gardening, I was able to ingest the visual ideas seeking refuge in my mind's in vitro planetary system, a medium allowing them to be presented and received as gifts. Possible attributes or features of the visual universe is to make the familiar more compelling and elevate vision to a loftier position in the pantheon of desire, empowering it to assert its role as a primary vessel of consumption. I realized it was possible to consider the nutritional attributes of visual consumption. I am a farmer, cultivating my mental terrain, responsible for the integrity and purity of the ingredients converted to compost in my mind, essential ingredients to the body of thought, a healthy body of thought. Visual compost has its own nature, an amalgam of unique features and ingredients, its own genera and subspecies, composed of the offspring of optical input and nutrients I have received by turning my head in a certain direction.